lose with winners bracket in quarterfinals. So proceed with losers bracket in round number 1 in the American Cup 2026. Between WIM in USA is Rachel Lee. So last quarterfinals to lose with Rachel Lee. So it means winning against Alice Lee. And faces by losers bracket in Grandmaster Irina Crush. So without Irina Crush, lose with winner with Zoe Tang, proceed with semifinals. So in this round number 1 in this losers bracket, what do you think about the running out of time with zero time is out? So what do you think about the two games analyzed here with losers bracket in round number 1? So let's study up this play chess here. White pieces with WIM Russia Lee in USA versus black pieces in GM in USA is Irina Crush. So it means the last of this winners bracket with quarterfinals. So first Russia Lee lose wins against Alice Lee. And GM by Irina Crush lose against wins by Zoe Tang. So it means the both of these losers bracket in this round number 1, Russia Lee and faces Irina Crush. So two games analyzed here. So within Blitz chess, within losers bracket here, within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment. So if you lose of this one with losers bracket, would knock out of this one by eliminates by games here. So if you win, proceed of this one with quarterfinals with losers bracket here. So in this part of this videos here in this American Cup 2026, and also have a analyze of the standings of this standings after round number 1 here. So white plays Rachel is knight f3, d5 by Crush, b3, bishop g4, and also bishop b2. It is called by Reti openings Nimsus, which Larsen attacks here. So this is a more of the Fianchetto's attacks. Bishop takes captured by Crush, takes with Rachel, and also pawn e6 here with Crush, g3 with Rachel Lee, by next by this one with bishop g2. Without bishop g2 here, and also knight f6 by Crush, bishop g2, good move by interesting by Rachel Lee, by next by playing castling kingside here, and also pawn g6 with Crush, by next by dark square bishop g7 here, and also moving by this one with Rachel Lee is pawn to f4. This is a determinations by without positional moves here, and also bishop g7 by Crush, by next playing castling here, by next this one with more controls with castle, and also d3 castling kingside by Crush, and also knight d2. So this is a new move with Rachel Lee of these positional games here. So this is the old main lines by three types of this old main lines by database. First, castling kingside, second by knight a3, and third by d4. So without d4 here by old main lines here. So it means with fourth by this one is knight d2, novelty with Rachel Lee by WIM here. And with Crush is pawn to c6 here, knight f3, good determinations here. Or maybe what the plans here, or maybe by next by this one with knight to g5, or maybe here by knight to e5 here. So this is a next move here, and also knight bd7 by Crush here, and also pawn to h4, good determinations by positional by Rachel Lee here, and also h5 by no more by this one with pushes by this one with h5, because this is a with black pieces with pawn to h5 here, and also knight g5, good strong move by positionals by Rachel Lee here, and also knight e8. So what the plans here by Crush, or maybe by plannings with knight to d6 here. So it means knight d6 is the next maneuver, and also d4 by Rachel, go back here with Crush, knight ef6, queen d2. So it means determinations with Crush, Rachel Lee, sorry, I got wrong name. So it means Rachel Lee is a white pieces. So queen d2 by Rachel Lee, but not yet ready by castling. So it means not yet ready by castle. Pawn to c5 with Crush attacks the pawns. Castling queenside. So castling queenside is a bad move with Rachel Lee here. So the best move this one, castle kingside here. So it means castle kingside, so this is a goods for white. So this is a more of this one with castling kingside. So not castling queenside. See, this is a mistake move here. So it means best move is castling kingside. Okay, so back there, this one is castle queenside, bad move with WIM here. Queen c7, brand X move by crush. So the branded move, this one is pushes by c4. It's a semi-close here. So semi-close by push to c4. So queen c7 by crush. King b1 is a property active move here. So this is a X move. So this is a worst move by Rachel Lee. So the best move is capture. D takes c5. If you rook f8 here, and need more first is king b1. Later from this one with king b1 by property active move. The first this one, so later with king b1, the first is captured. So need more captured here. First is captured is a best move here. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is with king b1 with property active with Rachel Lee, it is a worse move here. And also c4. So it means without c4, without push here, so it means without semi-close here with crush here. And also c3, another bad move with Rachel. So the best move there, this one is bishop to f3 here. So bishop f3 is a good determination here. So this is a good advantage for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is with c3 here. So it means without defense of this pawn with Rachel here. Takes with crush, takes, and also pawn a5 with crush here. Bishop a3 without idea with plannings with Lee with attacks the threatening the rooks here. And also with rook fc8, good determinations here. So positional moves with crush here. So it means without queens, without idea with plannings with threatening the pawns. Without threats the pawns, without disturbance here. And also rook c1, defense of this pawn with Rachel. And also a4 without threatening the pawns, and without push semi-close with b4 with Rachel. So it means never by captured here. And also knight to b6 here. So without knight b6 with crush. So what the plans with crush? Without idea by next by knight to c4 with threats the queens and threatening the bishop here. So this is a next of this move here. And without bishop f1 with Rachel here. And also knight c4, good strong determinations with crush. Without idea with threats the queens and bishop double. So this is a double attacks here. And also with queen a2. Okay, queen a2 here with Rachel here. And also knight g4. So this is so it means the knight g4, it is normal. So without interesting here, so this is a highest evaluation bar here. So it means for me, so the best move this one is without queen d7 here. So queen d7 is a good determinations here. So this is a goods for blacks here. So knight g4 with crush here. And also rook c2, defense the pawns, another third bad move with Rachel. So the best move this one is bishop captured knight. Bishop takes c4. If a queen takes captured with bishop, challenge with queen to queen. So it means without queen to queen. And also with queen takes c4, rook takes queen, and also rook c2. So this is a good determination here. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there is rook c2 with Rachel. And without excellented, knight captured a3 with bishop with check. Queen takes knight, and excelente, bishop captured sacrifice. So it means do not captured with bishop. So it means queen captured rook with check here. So this is a more pins here. And without next up, this one with Rachel is c4. So it means never buy this one by captured with bishops because this is a push here. And takes with crush. Bishop takes captured with Rachel, and also bishop b6. Queen b6, sorry. So queen b6. So I'm sorry, I got wrong note. So it means queen b6 here. I'm very confused my wrong notes here. So queen b6 with crush, sorry. So it means without crush. So queen b6 with crush without first bishop without threatening the pawns here. Threatening the pawns with knights threats the pawns here. So I'm sorry I got wrong names here. I thought the black pieces is crush here. Very confused my brains here. So let's continue. Queen b6 with crush. Battery rook hc1 here. And also rook d8 with crush. And also f5 sacrifice with Rachel. Capture this pawn. King a2. Proc the active move with Rachel Lee. Bishop takes captured pawn with crush. Queen f3 with Rachel. So it means without idea, with queens without threats the bishop here. So this is without threats the here. So without threatening the bishop. So it means opposite color bishop here. So slightly opposite color bishop because this is a more of this one with bishop here. So slightly opposite color bishop. So I'm sorry, forgot. I thought the bishop here, so it means opposite color. Queen e3, challenge with queen to queen. Ignorance here, queen takes captured b7. So it means, so why don't we queen takes here? Queen takes e3. And also, knight captured queen, threatening the rooks here. So without threats the rooks here. So it means without threats. So another. So if you bishop captured queen. And also, knight captured sacrifice. So if you f takes captured with knights with sacrifice, bishop captured with check, king to g7. So this is a good examples here. So it means queen takes b7 avoided with Rachel Lee here. Rook a7 with crush. Tempos attacks the queens. Queen c6 and without battery, rook a d7. And also knight takes e6 with more controls with the idea with threatening the rooks here. So threats the rooks and rook d2. What happened? The below evaluation bar with crush. Blunder ratio. So what happened by game number 1 here? So it means the best move this one is this knight to e5. Knight e5 here. So what a miss with crush here. So with the threats the queens here. So it means, so if you move by this one with queen to c5, challenge with queen to queen. And also queen captured sacrifice with here, with rooks here. And rook captured sacrifice here, bishop captured queen. So this is a good slightly better for black. So another. So if you knight captured rook, knight takes captured rook. And also knight captured with queens here, knight takes captured here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So it means rook d2 blunder ratios here. And with Rachel Lee is knight captured rook 1, rook down with crush here. Rook takes knight. And also queen g6 check here. So do not captured with pawn captured queen. This is a bishop threatening queens with check here. So without check here. So it means slightly opposite color bishop. So opposite color bishop here. And king h8 with crush. Queen captured with check. King g7. And also queen takes f7 check here. And king h8. So after this game number 1, so the running out of time, so it means time is up. So running out of time by GM Irina Crush. So crush here. So why is she running out of time with crush? Because so if you bishop to e6 only move here with Rachel, and also bishop g1. So if you rook c8 with attacks the rooks here, and also queen d2 with check, and also rook 1 c2 with a defense threatening the queens here, and also knight to h6 here with threatening the queens here, and also queen f6 here with check, king h7, and also rook captured queens here, rook captured queen, rook takes here with check, king to a3, rook d3 check, king captured pawn, and also bishop to d4 with threatening the queens here, and rook h8 mating net here. So it means so the arena crash is running out of time because this is a 0-0 of this one with time out of this games here with king number 1 with loser's bracket here. So the score with Rachel 82.3 and 80.2 with Arena Crash. So next proceed of this loser's bracket by round number 1, game number 2 here. Okay, white pieces with Crash and black pieces with Rachel Lee with next with game number 2 with loser's bracket here with round number 1 with outstandings after the American Cup 2026 with game number 2. So white plays Crash is d4, knight f6 by Rachel, c4, e6 is Indian defense, bishop f4, bishop b4 check with Lee, and knight d2 without defense, without more of discovering here, and also knight h5 with Rachel. So it means without knight h5 with threatening the bishop. So this is a more controls here. And without crashes backwards bishop g3 here, and castling kingside with Lee, and also e3, knight f6 go back with Rachel, bishop d3, and also pawn to d5 without more controls here, and also capture this pawn with Crash, takes with Lee, and also queen c2 without upcoming by castling queen side with Crash here, and also c6. So this is a novelty with Rachel Lee of this positional game. So this is the old main lines here with database backwards bishop d6 here. So bishop d6. So it means second novelty c6, second novelty here with Rachel Lee here. And also bishop backwards h4. So not backwards, so it means forward. So it means bishop h4 here with Crash. And also pawn to h6 with Rachel, knight f3 with next up this one with upcoming by playing castling with Crash here, knight bd7 with Rachel here, or maybe without plannings with knight to b6 here, without plannings here with Rachel, castling kingside with Crash, rook e8 with Rachel with more of this one with pins with rook e files here, and with pawn to a3 with Crash without disturbance with threats the bishop here, and without backwards here, good precise here with bishop d6 with Rachel. So it means good determinations here, and also with pawn b4 with Crash, a6 without more of these determinations with positional with Rachel, or maybe by next of this one with maybe here by this one with b5 by next move here, and also rook ab1, more defense of this pawn here with Crash, queen e7. So does not like of this computer engine, bad move with Rachel Lee. So the best move this one is pawn to g5, threatening the bishop here. So if you bishop backwards g3, and also bishop captured with dark square without diagonals, and takes without damage full by ugliness pawn structure here. So this is a good advantage for whites. So it means queen e7 with Rachel here, knight b3 with Crash. So it means good move. With that idea, by strong with knight to c5 here, by next maneuver here by Crash, and also pawn g5, good move So it means good move with Rachel. Without tempos attacks the bishop here, or maybe without controls here with attacks. And without crush is bishop g3 backwards, and also knight e4 with Rachel with tempos attacks the bishop here. So I will explain here, for example, sir, why don't we continue bishop captured? It is okay. Bishop takes g3 with diagonals with dark square. And f takes captured bishop. I mean, this is a damage full by ugliness pawn structure here. And also with move by pawn to a5. So this is a good explanations for examples here. So back there, this one is knight e4 with Rachel, threatening the bishop. Bishop continues, takes with crush. Queen takes captured with Rachel. Bishop captured, bad move. So the best move this one is rook b e1. So rook b e1 here. So it means, so this is a good advantage for white. So this is a solutions here. So back there, this one, bishop captured with knights, takes with Rachel, with attacks the knights, knight fd2, more of these controls here. By next plannings with crush is knight to c4 without threatening the attacks, the tempos attacks the queens here. And Rachel is knight to f6 here. Or maybe without idea with plannings with Rachel here. So next of this maneuver is knight to d5. So knight d5. So this is a next move here. And also queen c5 with a challenge with queen to queen with crush, and ignorance with avoided with Rachel Lee queen, and also rook fc1, more of this one. So need queens behind the rooks here. So this is a defense here. And also bishop to e6, more of this tempos attacks the knights. And also h3, another bad move with crush. So the best move this one is a4. So this is a best move here. So if you knight d7, so it means threatening the queens here. And backwards queen c2. So this is a good determinations for black. So this is a best of this good advantage here for blacks here. I mean white, sorry. So it means white is a good advantage. So h3 with crush here. Rook 88 with Rachel. Knight c4 without more of these determinations here. So it means another third bad move with crush here. So the best move this one, queen backward c2 here. Queen backward c2. So this is a more control. So need more best of this backwards with queens here. So this is a goods for whites. Knight c4 with crush. Rook d5 without threatening the queen. So this is a worse move with Rachel Lee. So the best move this one is bishop captured knight. Bishop takes c4. If a queen takes captured with bishop here, and also pawn to g4, sacrifice. So sacrifice here, not sacrifice. So it means without defense of this knight. So it means defense of this pawn. So not sacrifice. So this is a good advantage for black. So this is a according by this one with computer engine here. So rook d5 with Rachel without threatening the queens with white queens here. Queen b6, more of this one challenge with queen to queen here. And also queen b8. So what a bad move with Rachel Lee. So the best move this one is queen to e7 is ignorance with avoided here. So this is a good advantage for blacks here. So this is a bad move is queen b8 here. So back there this one. So queen b8 and knight to e5. What happened with second blunderations? So another second blunderations with crush. What happened? The below evaluation bar. Woo. So this is a below evaluation bar. So the best move is knight to c5. The crush is her miss move here without threatening the bishop. So what happened with crush? So the second blunderations. So this is a good advantage for whites here. So it means knight to e5 blunder ratio. So the second blunder ratios with crush. So it means the first guessing puzzle. What do you think about the best shot with Excelente with WIM Russell Lee? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook b5 excelente with Rachel. So it means without threatening the queen. With threatening the queens here. And also with crush is knight takes c6 here. So it means so without sacrifice. So if you continue rook captured with queen, so it means continue with queens here. So this is a differentiate with a challenge with queens. And with more of this one with Rachel is rook takes queen and crush is knight takes queen. So this is a challenge with more of these determinations here. So it means so 4 pieces same by 4 pieces here. So 1 minute and 27 seconds with Rachel Lee and more of these dying seconds, 3 seconds with Crush. Almost running out of time with Irina Crush. So what happened of this game here with game number 2? And without Rachel is Rook takes Knight here. Knight C5 attacks the Bishop. Bishop D5. And also Rook C3. Rook C6 here with Rachel. Battery Rook BC1. And also battery again Rook BC8. And also A4 here. And the last move with the finishing move B6, so it means running out of time with GM Irina Crush. So time out here. So it means so the Crush is very loose of this losing brackets here. So the score with Irina Crush 1 points and the score Rachel Lee 3 points. So congratulations WIM Rachel Lee. So proceed up this one with quarterfinals with losers brackets here. So I will next up the semifinals here between Alice Lee versus Zoe Tang. So I will analyze of these games here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17 aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by subscribe my notification below with bells with Mark Logi 17 English only and Mark Logi 17 Part 2 Cebuano Tagalog. And keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget to view my videos and like up this one with videos. So happy Sunday. Bye bye.